In the silent symphony of winter, there's a revolution brewing, not with fanfare, but with the gentle art of letting go. Did you know that the average American household stores over 300,000 items, with most of them never seeing the light of day? Picture this. Every ornament you've hoarded, every dusty decoration tucked away, is a tiny anchor holding you back from the freedom of the coming year. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about liberation. Imagine transforming your home from a museum of memories to a canvas of possibility. What if decluttering could be your secret weapon for a stress-free holiday season? Not just tidying, but strategically curating your space to welcome joy, creativity, and new beginnings. As the last echoes of the year fade, your home stands ready, not as a storage unit of past sentiments, but as a sanctuary of potential. Are you ready to unlock the magic of intentional living this Christmas? Welcome to a journey that will transform your holiday season and set the stage for a remarkable new year. As we stand on the threshold of Christmas and the dawn of 2025, we're about to embark on an adventure in mindful living that goes far beyond mere tidying. Decluttering for Christmas isn't just about making space for new gifts or impressing holiday guests. It's a profound act of self-care and intentional living. We're going to explore how to curate your space with purpose, infusing your home with the true spirit of the season: joy, peace, and meaningful connection. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover 7 powerful strategies that blend the principles of minimalism with the warmth of holiday traditions. From reimagining your approach to decorations to revolutionizing your gift-giving philosophy, each tip is designed to help you create a harmonious, stress-free environment that resonates with the essence of Christmas and propels you into the new year with clarity and purpose. So, whether you're a seasoned minimalist or just beginning to explore a simpler lifestyle, prepare to discover how less truly can be more this festive season. Let's unwrap the gift of intentional living together and make this Christmas a catalyst for positive change in your life. Let's begin our decluttering journey with a fresh perspective. Instead of viewing your space as a collection of items, imagine it as an ecosystem of energy and potential. Each room, each corner, is a microcosm of your life's aspirations and daily rhythms. Start by taking a mindful tour of your home. But here's the twist. Don't just look with your eyes. Engage all your senses. How does each space feel? Does your living room invite relaxation or create tension? Does your kitchen inspire culinary creativity or overwhelm you with gadgets? As you move through your home, pay attention to the flow of energy. Are there areas where clutter disrupts this flow? Perhaps that pile of magazines by the couch or the overflowing junk drawer in the kitchen. Now, here's a powerful exercise. Imagine your ideal Christmas scene in each room. What elements are essential to create that warm, festive atmosphere? What current items detract from this vision? This sensory and visionary approach helps you identify clutter not just as physical objects, but as obstacles to your ideal living space. It's not about ruthlessly eliminating. It's about curating a home that resonates with your holiday spirit and sets the stage for a fresh start in the new year. Remember, in this process, you're not just organizing things. You're orchestrating an environment that nurtures your well-being and amplifies the joy of the season. This mindful assessment is your first step towards a harmonious, intentional holiday home. Let's reimagine the sorting process as a festive treasure hunt. Instead of the traditional keep, donate, discard categories, we're going to create a holiday-themed sorting system that brings joy to the process. Envision 3 beautifully decorated boxes. The Christmas present box, for items that truly spark joy and deserve a place in your holiday home. The Santa's Workshop box, for items to be repurposed, gifted, or donated, spreading cheer to others. The Snowflake box, for items ready to melt away from your life, leaving space for new beginnings. As you sort, ask yourself, does this item belong in my Christmas story this year? This mindset shift transforms decluttering from a chore into a mindful curation of your holiday experience. Remember, the goal isn't to discard ruthlessly, but to thoughtfully choose what enhances your festive atmosphere. Each item you handle is an opportunity to reflect on its role in your holiday narrative. This approach not only streamlines your space, but also aligns with the spirit of the season, giving, sharing, and creating meaningful experiences. By the end of this process, you'll have a home that's not just tidy, but intentionally curated for a joyful and stress-free Christmas. Sentimental items are the emotional time capsules of our lives, especially during the holiday season. But here's a radical approach. Let's transform how we honor these memories. Instead of keeping every single ornament or childhood keepsake, create a Memory Mosaic Strategy. Choose one or two truly significant items that represent entire chapters of your life. For instance, that handmade ornament from your grandmother isn't just an object, it's a living story. Consider digital preservation as your secret weapon. Photograph sentimental items, create a digital scrapbook, or even record audio stories about their significance. This allows you to release the physical item while keeping its emotional essence alive. For holiday-specific sentimental items, implement the one-in, one-out rule. Each year, select one new decoration that truly speaks to your current life chapter and lovingly retire an older piece. This keeps your collection meaningful and intentional, preventing emotional clutter from accumulating. Pro tip: host a memory sharing evening with family where you discuss the stories behind these items. This transforms decluttering from a solitary task into a beautiful, connective experience that celebrates your family's journey. Remember, minimalism isn't about erasing memories. It's about curating them with intention and love. Let's revolutionize holiday decoration storage with a strategic approach that transforms chaos into choreographed elegance. Imagine your holiday decorations as a well-organized theatrical production where every ornament, every string of lights has a precise, purposeful place. Instead of cramming everything into random boxes, create a decoration ecosystem with clear, strategic categorization. Develop a color-coded system. Clear boxes for delicate glass ornaments. Padded containers for family heirlooms. Compact, stackable units for lights and garlands. Vacuum-sealed bags for fabric decorations. Pro minimalist hack: invest in modular storage solutions that can be easily labeled and stacked. Think of these not as storage containers, but as memory preservation chambers that protect your most cherished holiday moments. Consider a digital inventory, photograph each box's contents, and create a quick reference guide. This not only helps you track items, but also makes future decorating sessions a breeze. The goal isn't just organization. It's creating a system so intuitive that decorating becomes a joyful, stress-free ritual. By treating your holiday decor with this level of intentionality, you're transforming a potentially overwhelming task into a moment of creative celebration. Let's reimagine gift-giving through the lens of minimalism, transforming it from a material exchange to a celebration of meaningful connections. Introduce the concept of experience gifting. Instead of physical items, consider gifting memorable experiences. A cooking class for the foodie in your life, a stargazing night for the astronomy enthusiast, or a virtual museum tour for the art lover. These gifts create lasting memories without adding to physical clutter. Implement a one-in, one-out gift policy within your family. For every new item received, choose an existing item to donate. This maintains balance in your home while teaching valuable lessons about generosity and mindful consumption. Consider the gift of time approach. Create beautifully designed vouchers for your time and skills. Offer to babysit for new parents, teach a skill you've mastered, or simply promise a day of undivided attention. These gifts are priceless and clutter-free. For physical gifts, focus on consumables or items with a clear purpose. A gourmet food basket, a set of high-quality essential oils, or a beautifully bound journal can bring joy without long-term storage issues. Introduce a family secret Santa with a twist. Set a theme like handmade, local artisan, or eco-friendly to encourage thoughtful, minimalist gift choices. Remember, the goal is to shift focus from quantity to quality, from accumulation to intention. By reimagining gift-giving, we're not just decluttering our spaces, but enriching our relationships and experiences. Maintaining a clutter-free space during the holiday whirlwind isn't about perfection. It's about creating sustainable, stress-reducing systems that breathe with your lifestyle. Introduce the 15-minute holiday harmony ritual. Each evening, dedicate a quarter hour to resetting your space. This isn't deep cleaning, but a strategic realignment. Put away wrapping papers, return decorations to their designated spots, and clear surfaces. Think of it as a daily digital defragmentation for your physical environment. Create clutter quarantine zones, specific areas where temporary holiday items can live without disrupting your entire home's flow. A dedicated corner or a stylish basket can contain incoming gifts, wrapping supplies, or seasonal items without creating chaos. Develop a one-touch rule. When you handle an item, make a decisive choice. Put it away, donate it, or discard it immediately. No more creating intermediate piles that become permanent clutter landscapes. Embrace the festive minimalist mindset. View your space as a living, breathing ecosystem. Each item should earn its place, not just during the holidays, but as a year-round philosophy. Pro tip: take a before and after photo of your spaces. This visual documentation becomes a powerful motivation and a testament to your intentional living journey. Remember, maintaining a clutter-free space is less about strict rules and more about creating a rhythm that feels natural and joyful. Let's revolutionize the concept of a decluttering schedule by turning it into a year-round celebration of intentional living. Introduce the seasonal intention setting ritual. As each season changes, dedicate a day to reassess your space and realign it with your current goals and lifestyle. This isn't just about tidying. It's about curating your environment to support your evolving aspirations. Create a declutter advent calendar for the month leading up to Christmas. Instead of receiving a treat each day, you give something away or organize a specific area. This gamifies the process and builds momentum towards a clutter-free holiday. Implement Mindful Monday microtasks. Each week, tackle one small area, a drawer, a shelf, or even a digital space like your email inbox. These bite-sized tasks prevent overwhelm and maintain continuous progress. Develop a quarterly quest system. Every 3 months, choose one larger area, like the garage or attic, for a more intensive decluttering session. Frame it as an adventure, complete with a reward at the end. Introduce the concept of flow checks. Regularly observe how you move through your space. Are there areas where you consistently stumble or feel frustrated? These are prime candidates for your next decluttering focus. Remember, this isn't about rigid schedules, but about creating a rhythm that harmonizes with your life. By weaving decluttering into the fabric of your daily existence, you're not just maintaining order. You're continuously refining your living space to reflect your best self. As we wrap up our journey through mindful decluttering for the holiday season, remember that this process is more than just tidying up. It's about crafting a space that resonates with joy, peace, and intention. By embracing these strategies, you're not just preparing for Christmas. You're setting the stage for a transformative new year. Each item you mindfully keep, donate, or discard is a step towards a more intentional, fulfilling life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How has decluttering impacted your holiday experience? Share your stories in the comments below. Did you discover a forgotten treasure? Or perhaps you found unexpected freedom in letting go? If you found value in this approach to mindful living, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with a friend who might need a little decluttering inspiration this season. And for those hungry for more insights on minimalism and intentional living, check out our video on creating a year-round sanctuary. Minimalist home habits. It's the perfect companion to continue your journey towards a simpler, more meaningful life. Remember, the true magic of the season isn't found in things, but in the moments and connections we create. Here's to a clutter-free Christmas and a new year filled with purpose and joy.